Hey guys, in today's video, we will discuss how to verify your PayPal account on Depop. Watch until the end to learn all you need to know. Linking your PayPal to Depop can make transferring money in and out of the e-commerce website easier, but you must first verify your PayPal account. If you do not verify it, your funds may get stuck and even end up unclaimed. To avoid this, follow these steps. On your computer, go to www.paypal.com and log in. Once logged in, click on the Summary tab located at the top left side of the home page. Then, find the See How Much You Can Send with PayPal option under the More section. Click the Get Verified button at the top and follow the provided instructions. Within 3 days, your account should be verified. If you still experience problems receiving your money from Depop, contact the Depop support team at depophelp.zendesk.com. And there you have it. Simply follow these instructions to verify your PayPal account on Depop. Thanks for watching.